A 19-year-old in São Paulo made $40,000 in a single month last quarter by building custom AI agents for small businesses. A 34-year-old former retail manager in Manchester quit her job and is now booked out 3 months in advance running a one-woman AI content studio. You have heard the panic about entire categories of work disappearing, but the same wave eliminating those jobs allows a single individual to produce at a scale once reserved for well-funded departments. Almost nobody is using these tools on offense. This diagram illustrates the core mechanism. Most people fail to capitalize on these tools because they use AI to complete tasks inside a job. Profitable microbusinesses use AI to produce specific outcomes that businesses buy as a finished product. A great AI workflow allows you to take that saved time and sell it at a 10x multiple to business owners who lack the technical knowledge to build it themselves. Grab a pen and paper right now. By the end of this video, you will have a concrete 30-day launch calendar mapped out. Generating income with AI requires a move away from the hype and into a strict, zero-fluff operational blueprint. Let's build yours. There are 7 proven paths to generating income with AI right now. To avoid analysis paralysis, you must choose exactly one of these to pursue today. Path 1 is custom AI agents. Small businesses in your city have workflows, like reservation handling or lead qualification. They will pay to automate. Path 2 is content leverage. Record yourself once and use AI to ship that same video, lip-synced, in 15 languages to dominate localized markets. Path 3 is vertical SaaS. You can now build specialized software in a weekend that used to require a full engineering team. Path 4 is AI consulting. Companies need experts to audit their workflows, identify specific opportunities, and implement the necessary tools. Path 5 is algorithmic trading analytics. You can build agents that automate quantitative tasks like portfolio rebalancing and news sentiment summaries for professional traders. Path 6 is AI digital products. AI drops the production time of polished video courses and guides to near zero, allowing you to scale your specific expertise. Path 7 is podcast factories. You can turn raw research or internal training documents into high-quality audio documents for corporate teams who need professional production without the studio costs. Look at your paper. Write down your one chosen path right now. Committing to a single lane eliminates the noise of the broader landscape. It shifts your focus from testing every new tool to executing a real business model. We will map your execution on this 30-day calendar. Days 1 through 10 are for research and building. Use free tier tools to construct a functional demo of the service you chose. Your only objective during this phase is a working, demonstrable example you can show a prospect. It needs to prove the value, not look perfect. Days 11 through 15 are for identifying prospects. Build a list of 10 specific local businesses, including the owners' names and direct contact information. Days 16 through 20 are for outreach. Send personalized messages that reference a specific detail about their business. Show them your demo and offer to set it up at a discount in exchange for a testimonial. Days 21 through 30 are for delivery. Complete the project, learn the client's actual friction points, and use the resulting testimonial to raise your prices for the next round of customers. Securing one paying customer provides more critical market intelligence than months of building features in isolation. With your plan in place, we need to run a diagnostic check on the 5 behavioral traps that destroy most AI microbusinesses. The first failure is tool collecting, spending months testing new software without ever making a sale. The second is building before selling. Pros get a yes from a paying customer before they spend weeks perfecting the product. Failure 3 is picking a saturated lane. While the English market for AI content is crowded, the same services in Portuguese or Bengali are often wide open. Failure 4 is underpricing. You should price based on the financial outcome for the buyer, not the time you spent building. Failure 5 is quitting too early. The statistical reality is that consistent revenue typically begins to compound between months 4 and 6. Success in this economy is less about technical brilliance and more about anticipating and dodging these predictable traps. Look at your paper. You now have a chosen path, a 30-day timeline, and a risk mitigation checklist. The ultimate reality of this market is that rewards accrue to those who stay consistent. One person shipping every week for 2 years creates more value than someone who tries 30 different tools but finishes none of them. Here is your homework. Comment below with your chosen path and your very first move. I read every comment and will provide feedback on as many plans as I can. Subscribe for the next video, where we look at the 5-year predictions for the convergence of AI and quantum computing. Pick your lane. Ship your work consistently. Claim your share of this new economy.